Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget that subscribe button. Hey with me vlog. It's Saturday. Yeah, it's going on 11 o'clock. I'm up right now. Yeah, getting my day going. Got small breakfast this morning, and well, I did, and because I'm supposed to be going out to lunch with one of my girlfriends today, so let me run down, tell y'all what's on the schedule for today. Not much going on. Right now I'm just doing some cleaning around the house, and I'm about to get in the shower and get myself together. It is snowing, you guys. Well, it's not snowing no more, but it's snow on the ground, like. But yeah, also y'all, I've been watching this show. It's called Swarm, like on Prime Video. It is good. Like, it's good so far. Right now I'm just on episode 3. Yeah, it's good. Y'all haven't checked it out, I would suggest you check it out. It's like this girl, she's obsessed with this artist, this fictional artist called Naja. But to be honest, I feel like, I don't know, I'm not gonna say it yet, but I'm gonna watch some more of it to get like a full grasp of it. But the creator of the show is Donald Glover, I'm sorry. And if you're familiar with Donald Glover, he's the one that's Childish Gambino. So he always makes statements with like his shows, even with Atlanta and stuff like that. But yeah. Oh yeah, so I suggest you, if you haven't, the season just started a couple days ago. So yeah, it's called Swarm on Prime Video. I'm about to make my bed up. I'm about to clean my bathroom, and yeah.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
But yeah, so I'm about to copyright. Alright, so I'm about to just briefly do my skin. Well, not briefly, I'm about to do my skincare, and then I'm about to do my hair. So yeah. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Y'all don't want to see you wash my face. So yeah, do with y'all later. Okay. Hey y'all, so right now I made it to Juicy Crab. I was running late, first off, because I was curling my hair when you texted me. You know what it is? I'm gonna let them see me. See you. Okay, you wanna be on camera? No, I wanna get cute for my introduction. Thank you. And I'll be right back with the steam roast. Okay, thank you. Yes, Lord. Thank you. They look good. I ain't gonna show y'all her, but just know, I'm here with my homegirl, my friend. So yeah. But yeah, we're about to eat and eat this food. Yeah, y'all gotta get cute. You don't look. Just listen to me. I gotta get cute. Yeah. So food looks good. We about to chow down. I think I'm gonna get me a drink and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll come back with y'all a little bit later. We got the same thing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am just now leaving the place. Well, I'm in the car now. I am on my way back home. Don't hit my car, little lady. But yeah, me and Nicole just had lunch. It was super good. It is 2:44, so I'm about to head home. Yeah, and I'm gonna check in with y'all later. But yeah, lunch was good. We had some good talks. My homegirl. Next time I will show y'all on camera, but she didn't want to be on camera today, even though she already beautiful. But yeah, so yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm about to head home. I'll talk to y'all a little bit later. But yeah. Okay, y'all. So I think before I go home to this Hollywood Nails and get a pedicure. So yeah. Gel. Uh-huh. In here. Pedicure. Okay.
If that is what an outcome that you say there was no definition. The quick safety mechanism is okay.
Oh, you look good.
Thank you.
You're the model, right?
I'm not a model.
No, you look good.
Thank you.
Yeah. I like your hair. Cute. So
Thank
cute.
you.
Oh my God, you look beautiful hair.
Thank you. You doing okay today?
Yeah, good. Yeah, beautiful hair now.
Thank you.
You come here before?
No, actually, this is my first time.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a little hot.
Oh, little hot. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Take maybe a couple of minutes. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Dominique.
Dominique. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My daughter, Megan.
Megan. Okay.
My daughter, Sammy.
Okay.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
Y'all, so I'm back out of the. Ooh, it's so cold. Y'all gotta put my socks and stuff back on. But I think my feet are dry though. I am out of the nail salon. Oh, they look so good, my feet. Yes, y'all, they were so sweet. Me and the lady that did my nails, child, we was chopping it up. We was talking about everything. We was talking about how she was telling me about her dating life, and she was telling me, we was having some good conversations, child. She was telling me how she was telling me how she dating this guy and he inconsistent and all this other stuff, and how dating is hard. But child, it was so funny. She had me cracking up, and she was the owner's daughter. So yeah, but ooh, I'm trying to get my shoes on. It's too cold to be driving with no socks and no shoes on. Then it got pneumonia. But yeah, feet look great. They feel great. Child, I got a massage. Got my feet massaged. Ugh. Like, that is what life's about, child. But yeah, so right now, I think I'm about to go home now. I'm really about to go home. I was supposed to be and took my butt home, but I really wanted to go get my feet done. So, yeah, that's what I did. Get you a pop? Y'all, full throttle. I'm thirsty. I got a headache for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know where I got my back now still up from when I filmed videos this past week. I'm about to drink one of these poppy sodas. They so good. Oh, if you're looking for, you don't want to drink soda, but you want that fix. I don't drink soda, but these are fire. I'm about to undress, take these clothes off, put something comfortable on, and I don't know. I might be back, I might not. So yeah.
2,000 years later.
So I got my hair clipped. I don't know if y'all can see. I also got a planner today while I was out. After I left the nail shop, I stopped and got a planner. And it says find good in every day. And then yeah, I went ahead and wrote my name in it. And it has like this little folder pouch so you could put like excess papers in, and then it has like the key. I guess you can label your planner how you please. So it has like a few pages of that index. Then you can put like some special dates that you have, and then it breaks down into the month. let's see, yeah, a few notes and like you put any notes or quotes and ideas. Yeah, I really like this planner. Yeah, top 3 for this month. So it puts like your goals for this month, some other things that you need to do. It has a monthly tracker for the month. And then it has like cute little sayings. It says, act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. And it says about William James. And yeah, then it comes into the month. So yeah, and then it goes in to Pacific by day and week. And I'm assuming that it does this for, yeah, it does. It does this for every month. Yeah, it's super cute, y'all. And it has cute little like access paper, more like little quotes. It says, make the rest of your life the best of your life. Like, I really enjoy this. And it has some cute little, oh, I didn't see this at first. It has some cute little like stickers in the back. So, you know, you can label things the way you please. So, yeah. I came upstairs right now. I'm in bed. I am going to just chill out for the rest of the evening. But next, I have the water, some Doritos, a little cake. I have a little sweet tooth. So, I am just going to write in my planner for this upcoming week because I miss writing in my planner. So, I'm going to do that. And I am going to watch some YouTube. And yeah, I'm going to chill out for the rest of the evening. So I think I'm going to go ahead and honestly, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here at this point. It was a cool little Saturday. Like I said, it's just started back snowing outside, so the weather's kind of it's really cold outside. I can't believe like it started snowing again. So hopefully we have some nice weather. Start to peak in next week and the week after. I know my son baseball season will be starting back up, so I look forward to vlogging, doing some more like mommy type vlogs. So look forward to that. Yeah, because this is our second season with the league, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, what else did I want to just come on here and say? Yeah, I'm trying to think of what else. Yeah, so mommy vlogs will be on the way because like I said, my son's baseball season has begun. We're super excited to be back for another season. What else? And I enjoyed my lunch day with Nicole, my friend. So yeah, next time I will get her on camera, but she was just chilling today. She didn't want to be on camera, so I respect that. So yeah, but unless we had a good conversation, we had a good lunch. So yeah, like I said, you guys will be seeing more of like, you know, people in my life and stuff like that. But yeah, we had like a really good conversation. Like me and Nicole, like me and her friendship, it's a newer friendship. However, like we just click, and like I just really feel like she's like in like a friend way. Like she's like we are souls like intertwined. Like I always say this to her when she cracks up laughing, but we just be on the same page about a lot of stuff, and like a lot of like life stuff, and she's on her spiritual journey, and then as well as I am as well. So it's just great to have those conversations with a good friend and stuff like that. So yeah, we had a real good time. I really enjoyed myself. Like I said, we are planning to do some stuff in the near future. As far as YouTube, she does have a YouTube. I'll link it down below if you are interested. I know y'all didn't get to see her, but if you want to see her, go check her channel out. But yeah, a little tired. I'll probably take a nap, catch some Z's. The weekend I like to really catch up on sleep because I be so busy and up and moving during the week with getting my son back and forth to school, getting up in the morning, and then just doing the things that I have to do during the day, and then maintaining my youngest son that is a task child. So yeah, on the weekends, especially like for instance, Cordier's home, but my youngest is not home, like I told you earlier in the vlog. So I just get it's a break, and I just get to relax, and I just get to just catch up on some things, do some self-time, you know. So yeah, but yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna talk your heads off too long. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here at this point. If you made it to this far in the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as follow your girl on Instagram. Y'all know the drill, at the Dominique on Instagram and TikTok. I'm so sleepy, y'all. And as well as don't forget that subscribe button. Show your girl some love and support. I've been seeing so many newcomers, and I appreciate y'all for subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I'm gonna check y'all and see y'all in my next video. My next one. Bye guys.